Hi, it's Bernadette.
It's Hannah.
I've already run out of one cleaning product. It was like an all-purpose cleaner, and we had from the previous tenants, I think they robbed their employer or something. We have a bunch of degreaser, so I put some degreaser in here, but I'm not comfortable using it on things like this and on my regular painted countertops there. I was thinking I'd just use vinegar, and then I thought, oh, well, that's gonna be kind of smelly, and my whole house will smell like feet. I looked online at some different like cleaning recipes and stuff, and then I found this one that said to just take some citrus fruit rinds and put them in a jar, warm up the vinegar, and put the vinegar in. Fill a jar half full of citrus rinds, and I just happen to have limes. Stick them in the jar, and the blog post said you can fill the jar up about halfway, and I only have 2 lime rinds, so that's all we get. If I can find the blog again, I'll link it below in this description box. But she said also you can add cloves or rosemary to it, which I have both. I don't know how lime and clove will smell. Maybe I'll try cloves when I've got oranges, but I'm gonna try lime and rosemary. Put that in there. Heat up your vinegar. Once the vinegar's hot, I'm gonna pour that in here. Then you put the lid on it and let it sit for 24 hours at least, and then you strain out the stuff, and then you've got your vinegar cleaner that doesn't smell quite like vinegar anymore. So we'll see. I'll update you on how it goes. Meanwhile, while we're letting the vinegar heat up, there's one more thing that I want to talk about. It's this. It's my no buy year. I'm making my own cleaner because I'm running out. This is half full. I know that it's going to run out before the end of my no-buy year, and I like using the dishwasher. I don't want to wash all my dishes by hand. So I looked up a bunch of different recipes for dishwasher detergent. Then I also looked up reviews on these different dishwasher detergent recipes, and most of them were not great. The ones that involved using citric acid seemed to work better, but I don't have any citric acid. So then I found an article on Huffington Post that said, in your dishwasher, if you just put 3 drops of dish soap, 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and that's supposed to work, and that's the best rated one that I found. Once I get this made, I'll update you on that. And here comes the hot vinegar. Let's see how much of a mess I can make, geez. All right, so we'll see what this looks like. I'll update you. See you later. Hi, so it's been a few days. I've got my laptop here so I can look at what I filmed. I did this thing with the vinegar. I used it as cleaner. It works excellent. It's a great cleaner, just like vinegar's a great cleaner on its own. It didn't take away the vinegar smell at all. It just has like a very strong lime scented overlay to it, so there's still that feet smell in the background. It is better than vinegar on its own, for sure. Will I do it again? Maybe. If I have the ingredients around anyway, like if we buy a bag of oranges, yeah, I'll mix orange and clove and try that smell too, especially because cloves is something that I use like once or twice a year, whole cloves. It would be nice to be able to use them up and have that space in my spice rack for a while. I haven't used them at all in the past year, so I would do it more to use up those old cloves. I will try other cleaners though, other homemade cleaners, to kind of review them throughout the year, so that is good. I'd rather use it than plain old vinegar. The dishwasher hack though, I'm not gonna do that. It is not good. There's my dirty dishes. I put the 3 drops of dish soap into the dishwasher thing. I put the baking soda in, and the first time I used Epsom salt, and it didn't clean that good. There wasn't a film really on the dishes, but they just were not that clean. And the second time I used table salt, and there was a film on all the dishes, and they weren't clean. They really weren't clean. The second time I had to hand wash them after afterwards. So that hack to me is pointless. My solution is that I am just going to wash more dishes by hand throughout the year so that I don't completely run out of dishwasher detergent. I just don't want to be stuck doing dishes by hand for 4 months at the end of the year. So I'm going to do it intermittently and, wash the large things and not put pots and pans in my dishwasher and all those things that you're supposed to do anyway. I'd gotten really lazy and really dependent and really counting on the dishwasher to wash my dishes for me. So I didn't even think about this when I started the No Buy year. I just thought I had enough. And this is kind of a rude awakening, but a good thing. After my No Buy year, it's really going to make me appreciate that dishwasher more. There's my verdict on those hacks. Thanks very much for watching, and stay tuned for the subscription noodle.
Hi, I'm Baby Nuss, and I am a subscription noodle. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, I sleep now.